Hey guys, it is Caramello Cosplay. Back at it again with another unboxing. And today I'm unboxing something super important and something that means the world to me. Ready? Kingdom Hearts 3. I've been waiting so long to do this, so I'm jumping right in. Oh, I guess I'll show you the box. So I got the Deluxe Edition. This is what the box looks like. He's a thick boy. Here's the game. Ah, it's so beautiful. I love it. I thought it was like out the case. I was just like, boy, don't play with my emotions. Okay. And here's the steel tin. Oops. There's breaking it already. Can you see that? Where's my camera? Can you focus, please? There we go. Oh, fancy. Oh, this is cute. You know, it's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. It's weird. Okay. Here's the art book, which is what I'm super excited about. Here's the backpack. I don't know if you guys want me to flip through the whole thing. There's a message from the director, so if you want to read that, here you go. You can pause it on this video. Okay, focus. There you go. If you want to read that, if you can. I don't know, it might be backwards for you guys. Boop. Boop. So good. Oh, that's awesome. I wish I had that as a poster. Here's something good. And the rest is just character art, which I really dig. Excuse me. Now how do I get to the pin? Oh. And then the pin. Does that even work? It does. Oh, it's beautiful. So, I'm always blurry and always out of focus now. I need better lighting in my house. So yeah, that is my unboxing of Kingdom Hearts 3. I'm sorry I rushed through this. But I just honestly just want to go play it. And I'm just like, okay, here's what it is. Okay, bye. Yeah. Praise the heavens. We finally got this game. Honestly, it sounds like it's out of the case. Let's do an unboxing together, just in case this game's broken. Not a fun story. I got Kingdom Hearts a day late because Amazon delayed the shipping, and then it came in with a huge scratch going all the way around the disc, and it was unreadable. So, had to get a new one. Got a refund though, but it's not the point. They should know how important this game is. Alright, time for the reveal, so you know I'm not. It is out of the case. Oh god. This already happened to me once. Can you see? Ooh, reflection. Oh my god, it was out of the case. I'm just going to carefully place that back in there. Wait. Is this case broken? Yeah, my case is broken. Can you focus? See, it's missing at the bottom, the little blue thing. Let me show you an example, right? Different game. Right in the middle circle. It's a good thing I got this. I'm gonna lose my freaking mind. Well, there you go. What? It's like I'm not supposed to be, like I'm not destined to play this game. And this doesn't feel secure either, but okay. Well, that is my unboxing of Kingdom Hearts 3. So yeah, hopefully the game works. I'm sure it will. I didn't see any scratches. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Love you.